Damn, this car is filthy. So dusty, so grimy. Haven't washed this car in forever. It's maybe in like 2.5 weeks, but just haven't had the time to wash it because it's been raining the past 2.5 weeks-ish. And it's gonna rain like the next few days again, so no point in washing it. Yo, but today's main thing that I'm trying to get done is this thing. This is an antenna from the 2000 to 2002 Celicas, where most people put the S2000 antenna on. So for example, the 2003 Plus came with the power antenna, which retracts up and down. I have it unplugged so it never comes back up, but I think I prefer just the little shorty S2000 antenna. And to do that, we're gonna have to convert it. So this was pulled out of the wrecked Celica, which, by the way, we moved right here. It is sitting under the carpet and the tarp. This car is basically already sold. I sold it to Clayton. You guys might know him from Sebastian's videos. But yeah, he's gonna pick up this thing. So yeah, anything that you want, you guys are probably gonna have to hit him up if he decides to part it out. But yeah, besides the antenna, I think I may also do some other things. Like, I have this extra window switch that I got from the junkyard for the 03s, because the current one I have, don't know how well you guys can see, but it's like peeling over here. I don't know if something acidic spilled on this, but it like kind of like ate through it. So just decided to replace this whole thing right here, the cover and those buttons. So I'm gonna switch that in. Also apologize for the lack of videos. Just been super rainy the past couple weeks, as I mentioned, and I don't know, just kind of unmotivated. But today I felt like getting some stuff done, so might as well just kind of pick up the camera, record it, and maybe some of you guys can learn from it. Also, this whole coronavirus thing, I think it's all media hype. I don't know, you guys can let me know what you guys think about it. Anyways, enough rambling. So as I mentioned, for the 2000 to 2002 Celicas, it would be really easy. You would only need to just unscrew the stock antenna, which is just a really long piece of metal, and then you can just screw in the S2000 antenna on this. But for the 2003 and up, these come with power antennas, so you can't actually unscrew this. So what you have to do is switch them to the pre-facelift antennas, and then you could add your S2000 antenna, or you could just leave it like this, but I think I prefer the little S2000 antenna. Alright, so first things first, you get into the trunk and you just pull this little thing back, and the antenna base is right there. As you can see, this one's already unplugged because this is what powers the antenna to go up and down, and this has been unplugged, so it always stays down. Now, I don't really use the radio too much. I always just use Spotify or Bluetooth or whatever, so I don't really care about radio. But so the 03s, you have this plug, and then you have this other auxiliary port, or whatever it's called. Same with the pre-facelift antenna. It literally is just the auxiliary port thing and then a 10mm nut. So the 10mm nut is behind this plastic piece, which I'm gonna try to get back. Alright, so then you want to unbolt this little screw here, which is right here, and then this plastic piece, there are going to be one bolt there, a plastic clip there, and one over there, but I'm missing like half of them. So for me it's pretty easy, and then just pull this thing up, this should come off, and then you can just pull this back a little bit, and right there is the 10mm nut that holds the whole antenna up. So just remove that, and then we'll get up here. Once you get the little nut off, you want to go right here, this plastic ring right there, actually unscrews. So usually if it's never been taken off, it'll be a little harder, so you can use like a flathead and then just kind of lightly tap it, and it'll just screw right off. So lefty loosey, righty tighty. Also, I suggest having one hand underneath holding the base of the antenna, just so it doesn't constantly spin and not go anywhere. But you see it's already kind of loose because I've already taken it off for the wrap. So just unscrew the silver ring and the whole thing will come off. There we go. So I just removed the antenna. As you can see, this big difference, big old piece. And this is the pre-facelift antenna. Very simple. I spy an S2000. Just some snake.
Thanks for answering the phone.
Oh, sorry.
I called you like a bunch of times.
Oh shit, my phone's in my pocket right now.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, look at that.
Oh, look at all those missed calls. Yeah. Sorry, I can't feel the vibrations when I'm wearing sweats.
I was like, where's this guy? He's not doing anything right now.
I'm doing something right now. What you mean?
What are you doing? What are you working on?
I'm just gonna switch the antennas because the 03s came with like power antennas.
Oh, okay.
The 2002 came with regular antennas, so I'm just gonna put the S2000 antenna on it.
Nice.
At least I think it's an S2000 antenna, right? Is it?
Yeah.
Let me know. It is?
Yeah. Wait, what is this little block right here?
I don't know, it's a little base, I guess, adapter. I don't know. I got it off the wrecked Celicas, so and okay. it came on that Celica when I bought it, so
it's not a direct
not sure, but
screw on.
Pretty sure it fits. Maybe you just need a little adapter, but yeah. Let's get it. Should I paint this? Should I paint this black? I was thinking of painting it black. Because then it's just a chrome, like
ricey mod look.
Well, I mean, it's not ricey, it's just, I don't know. Should I paint it? I have black paint.
Yeah, if you could, I think it would look nice if you painted it.
Anyways, so I just got the base of the antenna bolted in there. It's literally just held in by one nut. And then next, you're just gonna put the little rubber boot, whatever. Just position it so it sits flush, and then the last piece, I just painted it really quick. Didn't really sand or anything. Don't really care. Just gonna go from the bottom and kind of hold it straight, slip it through, and just screw it in. Easy as pie. The finishing touches is this antenna. Again, I'm not too sure if, oh.
That's an adapter.
Let's see, maybe it is an adapter. Oh, interesting.
Retreat.
Hold on, you have your, oh.
Yeah.
Dude, good thing we have an S2000 right here.
So that one looks a little different than mine.
Compare.
But maybe there's a difference between AP1 and AP2, I don't know. See?
Basically the same. Okay, let's try this antenna real quick.
Yo man, I need that back.
I might just have to take this one. Oh, let's go. All right, just like that, guys. S2000 antenna. Now, all
right, now that the video's over, can I have it back now?
I mean, I don't know. You guys can have like your own opinions on it, because you guys can have it like just nothing, or just really short, or have this. I don't know. I think it looks pretty cool with the little shorty antenna.
It's kind of cute.
Yeah. All right, you can have this one.
Thanks.
See what it looks like on the S2000.
What is this, dude?
Huh?
What is that? How dare you give me that?
I mean, it fits perfectly.
Yeah, the only problem is that the antenna is disconnected from the freaking...
I know. All right, you're welcome.
Thanks, Edgar. I hope I get a better signal now. You had that gap last time too?
I guess. Oh, shit.
Bro, I think that'll come flying off.
I think this looks better.
Wait,
why is it like that?
Because it's disconnected from the inside. All right, watch it. Don't bend your... Oh, okay, all right. Edgar's gonna bend it.
Pretty stiff now. Oh, you know what? I think this whole little square thing goes all the way in there.
Oh man, how are we gonna squeeze that in there?
Let's lube it up. There's a way. We'll figure this out.
Do you know the way? Wow, I just throw my antenna.
Not, I'm just gonna have to grab your antenna.
Oh, wow, just to finish the video? Just act like the one that you had worked.
No, just forever.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Don't mess up the threads.
Ooh, almost there.
Almost there. Nice. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Oh, there we go.
I mean, it's better. It's not all the way in,
Let's
but
push it in all the way, man.
update, I just got the antenna on. So that little square adapter was actually supposed to sit inside the antenna, but I think when I removed this off the Rex Celica for the first time, I like try to pull on it or something. I don't know. But yeah, shoved that thing back in, screwed it on, and there we go.
Looks good, man.
Little shorty antenna. Any of you guys are looking to get rid of the long ass RC car looking antenna, just add this on. Or if you have an 03 Plus, just change the whole base. Get rid of this clunky mess. There we have it. Easy peasy. Just a quick little mod. Now I am 0.1% S2000. Also, since we're down here, I might as well replace this with LEDs. As you can see, this was the old bulb. It's definitely blown. So added some new LEDs in there. If you guys want to know where to get these LEDs, a little pack of LEDs, and it has like all these different adapters, like this or like these kinds of adapters. But Sebastian actually made a whole video on this, so that's where I got the idea from. So go check out his video if you want to see how he did it. But yeah, that's what I did. Look how bright it is. Ooh, that's really bright. I used to have no light in here. Finally got some LEDs in here, so definitely will help out when it is dark out. Easy peasy. This is basically going to be it for today. Little shorty antenna. This guy showed up for the first time in forever. I mean, this guy shows up as often as I upload, so yeah, I'll see you guys in like another half a year. Just kidding, I actually got some things coming up. Nah, for real. I just need to find the motivation to pick up the camera, but it's okay. We got some things coming.